a strategic location in a vibrant industrial corridor, setting up a futuristic workplace, creating a verdant green surrounding, defining productivity through seamless management of man, machine, material and method. Welcome to the world-class manufacturing facility of Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited at Kargal, Kolhapur. Heralding a new era of enriching lives through energizing excellence. The Kirloskar Group, with a legacy spanning more than 125 years, was among the pioneers of Make in India, with the manufacture of precision-engineered products like engines, generating sets, power tillers and pump sets. Today, Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited, popularly known as KOEL, has emerged globally as the preferred source for engines, pump sets and power generators. Executed in a record time of 19 months, the Kargal plant, spread across 163 acres, has world-class facilities that integrate 3 islands of excellence: Engine Plant 1, Engine Plant 2 and the Genset plant. The complex also has self-supporting utility systems, an environment-friendly complex with rainwater harvesting and zero discharge ETP. It helps nurture lush green surroundings. The KOEL plant provides a conducive atmosphere for energizing excellence through a systematic interface of man, machine, material and method. Systems that enable production of high quality and defect-free products. Critical components for engines. Inline liquid-cooled engines up to 6 cylinders. Air-cooled engines up to 6 cylinders. High horsepower DV engines with 8, 10, 12 and 16 cylinders. And a wide range of power generating sets from the smallest 5 kVA to the giant 1010 kVA capacity. At KOEL, the backbone of excellence is its temple of learning known as Gurukul. Customized facilities are created for imparting fundamental skills, elemental skills and cyclic skills, ensuring each and every individual is thoroughly familiarized with operations. Along with technical skills, behavioral skills are also taught for the holistic development of the employee. All operations are governed by strict adherence to safety, health and environment management benchmarks. Energizing the mind and the body prior to the day's work, the employees perform routine exercises at the plant at the beginning of every shift. The latest CNC machines are integrated and programmed for precision machining of 5 critical components of an engine, named the 5C components. These are components like the crankcase, crankshaft, cylinder head, camshaft and connecting rods. These critical components are subjected to rigorous quality tests on high accuracy testing instruments and systems. The engine assembly lines incorporate the best-in-class assembly equipment and employ highly efficient and technically trained manpower. Built-in quality control systems ensure high accuracy at every stage of assembly. The assembled engines are transferred to the testing stations and tested for multiple performance parameters. Engine Plant 2 is dedicated to the manufacture of high horsepower engines. A dedicated section is also devoted to the manufacture of the Kirloskar Varsha range of pump sets. The Genset plant is India's most modern factory for the manufacture of the complete range of coal green power generators. Automated systems facilitate sheet metal cutting and punching with intricate and precise profiles. An 11-stage pre-treatment plant with automatic loading facilitates efficient chemical treatment and surface cleaning. Dual powder coating lines are attached to efficient curing chambers. The canopies with soundproof acoustics are assembled in a dedicated section. The assembly of gensets is carried out on an ergonomically designed conveyor system for efficient handling, while achieving high productivity, stress-free and error-free assembly. A separate facility is dedicated to the assembly of KOEL's high horsepower gensets. The assembled gensets are transferred to the acoustic test chambers for rigorous testing of multiple performance parameters. After successful testing, the gensets undergo a final pre-dispatch inspection. Today, KOEL's Kargil plant has become a role model factory, driven by the collective teamwork of its people. People guided by a corporate vision to pursue higher standards of excellence, constantly innovating products and service offerings to simplify the lives of its customers. Embracing a philosophy of continuous learning, adopting the concept of quality circles for continuous improvements in quality, adopting Kaizen and Six Sigma for improving efficiency, and practicing the 5S to ensure a clean and safe working environment. Implementing several energy-efficient initiatives like regeneration of power from the testing chambers, introduction of first stage of cold testing for engines, and installation of solar heating for the common kitchen, amongst others. Beyond business, KOEL's team reaches out to the community nearby to help the less privileged people of the hinterland create livelihood opportunities, particularly for women, and offer training facilities for the deserving youth in skill development. At KOEL's Kargil plant, the energy is radiating to empower its people with enthusiasm and devotion. Efforts that are being recognized year after year through several awards and accolades. At KOEL, it's a collective journey, following in the footsteps of the founder of the Kirloskar Group, enriching lives by constantly energizing excellence.